Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. So if you've watched any film, television show or even commercial where there are lots of crowds, or maybe you've watched anything that has to do with horses and riders, then the possibility that you've seen Massive in action is there. Massive is an industry standard crowd creation tool which is pretty amazing how it works. And currently the folks at Massive have put together Massive 101, which is a free version of Massive which you can totally use for free. And this has little to no limitation to what you can do with it. And for those who are wondering, what exactly is Massive and where does it come from? Massive by default was originally created for use in Peter Jackson's Lord of the Rings film trilogy. Subsequently, the company Massive Software was created to bring this technology to film and television production around the world. Since then, Massive have become the leading software for crowd-related visual effects and autonomous character animation. Now, for those who like to download this, you can simply come through and download it. By default, a lot of people think about Massive as this huge complex tool that you can work with. Rather, it has its place when it has to do with technicalities. Something to actually cushion all of this is they've created agents and riders and stuff like that. So if you were looking for ambient agents that you can work with, maybe to fill up a plaza, a mall, you do have those agents. They are ready to go. You can just simply load them in. If you're looking for stadium agents, there are stadium agents as well. And these stadium agents get to do with agents that's quietly watching the game, clapping and cheering. They've also got mayhem agents as well. Riots, panicking, protests, panicking, and all that. Combat sword agents are also available. Now, these agents that we're talking about are agents that have been pre-built, which means that you can just simply plug and play and get going. So the setting up for these are super easy. At the same time, they've got the horse and rider agents as well, which you can work with, so you don't necessarily need to build things from scratch. And they've got locomotion agents, the car agents, and many more agents that they're planning on releasing. And the beautiful part about this is this industry standard tool, you can now grab it totally for free and start building with it. So right here they get to say that Massive 101 is now available for free for non-commercial use. Now there are no limitations on agent capabilities or the number of complexities of agents in the scene, which means you can go wild. The only significant limitation that you get to find with this is that the renders are watermarked, and currently just Arnold and Velocity are the supported renders. And if you like to start learning with this, or maybe you just like to start creating yours, you can simply go ahead and check out some of the tutorials that they've put together. They've also put a couple of demos as well that you can grab. And if you'd like to download this, all you need to do is come right here, click on the Massive 101 forum. Once you go over to the forum, you would need to have an account for you to be able to download this. Without having an account, you possibly would not be able to download this. But if you do have one, you can click on Get Started, go right here where you get to see Start Here, click on that, and you can click on Download Massive 101. Now, once you click on that, it shows you the URL. You go ahead and read the end user license agreement, scroll all the way down. Once you're done with that, click on I've read that, proceed to the download page, and from here you'll be able to download for both Linux and also Windows. At the same time, they do have demo files that you can also download, and they've got some tutorial files as well alongside the manual file. Now, if you don't have an account and you go through this process, this is what you'll be faced with. So I would definitely recommend that you create an account prior to doing that. Now, once you have this, you can now go ahead and install it. We'll possibly make a video about that one just in case you guys want to see what it looks like. But for what it is, if you're thinking about crowd simulation tools that you can work with, and possibly you've been thinking how you can get your hands on an industry standard crowd tool, then this is your chance to actually do all of that, as the Massive tool is now here and offers a lot. If we go over to requirements, let's actually take a look at that. Within the requirements, you can see the requirements, not so much of a requirements that you need in terms of comparison with the Massive for Maya, the Massive Prime, which I believe you're getting, just that this is now called Massive 101 because it doesn't include the rendering side of things. You do have your watermark. Other than that, it gives you everything you need for Massive Prime. So just in case you're thinking about grabbing this, working with it, of course you can simply go ahead and check it out. If you like to see some films where this has been used, if you go over to the industry section, click on film, you can see all the films that this has been used on. All of these movies actually used Massive. And this is just to tell you how much of a tool this is. In terms of television, I think they've used it in a lot more television shows than we actually give it credit for, like the Game of Thrones, The Last of Us. All of these have used Massive one way or the other. And in terms of architectural visualization and engineering simulation, it also has a place right there. So this is it. For those who like to grab this, possibly like to download this, you can simply go over to the link in the description and check this out. If you like to explore any of these and see some of the things that you can do with it, then you can also find them right here. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.